guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. For my subscribers, my old and the new ones, you are highly welcome. Today guys, I want to show you guys how I make this lovely banana bread. Very simple recipe. It won't take you time to prepare it for your family. It tastes nice and very yummy. It's very sweet guys. So guys, let's go and I'll show you all the ingredients that you will use to achieve this lovely banana bread. Guys, as I'm telling you, it's very easy recipe. So let's go now and start preparing it. So guys, these are all the ingredients we are going to use for the banana bread. Over here is eggs, raisins, vanilla, baking soda, sugar, salt, melted butter, banana, and all-purpose flour. So these are the ingredients we are going to use. At the description section, I'm going to pull down all the ingredients and the measurement of each. Okay guys, so let's start mash the banana first. I'm going to use fork because I don't want it smooth, but if you want it smooth, you use your hand blender or any of your blender to blend it smooth. Okay, so over here I've finished mashing the banana. I'm going to add the eggs now. After that, I'm going to add the melted butter. I'm adding sugar and I'm going to mix. As I said, it's very simple recipe. You can see it didn't take any time. I'm almost there. It's not even up to 5 minutes. So I'm going to add the baking soda now. I'm going to add vanilla. I'm going to add the flour. So guys, you can see it's ready. Very simple, as I said, very simple. I'm adding the raisins now and that's it. That's it. So I'm going to turn it into baking pan now. I'm going to leave it in oven for 45 to 1 hour, and I'm going to use a 280 degree for the baking. So you can see it now, all ready to go into the oven. Guys, look at it, the bread is ready. Look at this lovely bread. Okay guys, let me show you guys. It's very hot. Piping hot. It looks crunchy outside and soft inside. See it? Very hot. Oh. This is when I like to eat it, as it's hot. Look at it. So guys, that's it. You see it? Very nice and very sweety. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe and share the video, and if you like the video, please give me thumbs up. Okay guys, all right guys, I love you all. See you. Bye bye.